let's try the right hand first. You've got a lot of finger changes as well on this.
Okay.
Put your third finger on C.
Okay.
Okay. That's it. Then you change to your second finger on C. And come down onto B flat, because in the key signature.
B flat. Yes, yes, yes.
And that means you're playing in the key of F. Okay.
Okay. Right, so it's.
That's it. That's it. Fifth on F. Fifth on F. Thumb on A.
Fifth.
So you're going up in fifths.
Going up, yeah. Thumb on A.
Fifth on F at the top. So you should be on F there. Move it up. Move your fifth finger onto F.
Yeah, yeah.
No, that's your thumb. Your number 5 finger, the top F. Top F.
Right.
That's it. That one there. And it's on. Your thumb is on A. That's it.
Yeah, yeah.
You're moving up in fifths, right? And then you go up to B flat and G.
Yeah.
Don't forget the black key in the middle.
B flat and G.
I did in the beginning.
Yeah.
Just practice that part again.
So it's A and F, and then B flat. Yeah,
That's
yeah.
it. Yeah, got it?
Yeah.
I should have realised myself when I've done it the first time. If you just go up in fifths, it's easier. Yeah? That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, and then the next line is very similar.
Yeah.
Okay, do the next line for me if you can. That's it.
So we're starting on
A. That's it. And then move down. That's it. No, only move down once. So you go fifth finger's on G, thumb is on B flat.
Yeah.
That's great. Okay, start from the beginning again. See how you get on. Okay. Just those 2 lines. Down you go. First of all, you go on to A and F.
A and F.
That's it. Then move up, keep it fifths. That's it.